Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at this Bosch palm sander and do a quick demo on how to use it. This one is model number ROS20VSC. Here we're just removing the old piece of sandpaper we had from our last sanding job. All you need to do is lift it off the sanding plate. The sander is shaped kind of similar to the shape of an iron with a soft grip handle at the top. We have the red power button at the tip where you can also control the speed between 7,500 to 12,000 OPMs. You also have the microfilter canister to capture and contain the fine dust. The canister is clear so you can see through it and determine if it's full. And when you need to empty it, you can open it up to discard the dust. And here we're just going to place a new piece of round sandpaper down onto the sanding plate. The sanding paper actually sticks to the sanding plate like a piece of Velcro. But what we did notice is that the holes don't all necessarily line up, but we haven't noticed any issues when sanding. And we're just going to plug the power cord into an extension cord and start the demo. And here we have a piece of leftover wood from a previous reno project that we'll sand down. Normally we would use the sander on a larger surface area, but we'll just use the small piece for demonstration purposes. And as we sand down the piece of wood, the pad below orbits and rotates to smooth down the wood surface. And you can see how easy and effortless it is to grip the handle and move the sander. And now the wood is nice and smooth with the first layer sanded away. In the before shot, you can see the original piece of wood had white paint splattered on it, but now all the paint is gone and we are left with a smooth, clean wood surface.